What's up, YouTube? What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the vlog. You know, it's your boy Jay. You know, it's 416-876 boss. We outside again, people. You probably missed me, you know. I don't want to miss me, man. I don't want to miss. I don't see no video and a bit from me still, but you know, it's not every day or every week. Your mind just say, sometimes it does, you know. I was trying to make a couple of videos, but it just never work out for me. Then me get sick and stuff like that. You know, the full flow go around and stuff like that. Right? So I'm back at my #1 station, and that's the Cedarbury Mall area. You know, come fat up my eye to see what's going on in the establishment. You know what I mean, people? So bless up to everybody who's been liking CMW, been sharing, been supporting the channel. And I already see the top cover we come for talk about. We soon dive in night, but that's what I say. Thanks again for everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing, and pushing the 416 to 876 family and the dream work and make a thing go on. You see it? So you can still hear me. Here says I'm still sick in my voice. You understand? So don't rush the progress, don't rush the ball game. But yeah, man, thanks again for everybody, man, who's been supporting the channel and liking it up and stuff like that. And you know, subscribers, very hard to get subscribers these days, you know, my people. So if you can give me a good subscriber by now in April, I'll be very, very grateful. So now, my people, we'll come to talk about the topic of how hard it is to be building a house from foreign countries in Jamaica. And these are the topics them what a lot of people don't really talk about, you know. You understand? And I'm not afraid to talk about them, you know, because I have been through it. And this is from my own experience, what I've been through building a house in Jamaica while living in Canada. Alright, so this is not no everybody experience. This is my own experience. So I don't want somebody come and say lie, Mattel, or this and that, or whatever. You understand? Because it's only my experience, not yours, not your family. But don't know if you've been through what I've been through, then you've been through it too. So I have to put that out there clear, because someone over here wanna just love to just eat off somebody head back right away. Like, I don't know. Like somebody say something and just ready for attack. Yeah, man. It's like you guys are on a mission for attack with. So let me get into it now. So, building a house in Jamaica, part 1. It's not a easy role, you know. Cause see, what a lot of people don't understand. Them don't understand say when somebody in the Americans or England or somebody from foreign sit down and say, yo, him a go try to do a thing in Jamaica. Remember, you know, him live somewhere already, you know. Remember, we live here so too, you know. So now, you know, the extra local money where we have, we are use it right now for fight for build a house over there, and we are still trying to fight for have something over here. You know how much people them over here, sir? Nah, nothing. People live here for 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 years and dead, and never buy a house over here, say, you know. You understand? Never yet buy a house over here one time. And then now, them have them little lifetime saving money. Them rather suffer it out. Yeah, rather suffer it out in an apartment over here, so I don't want to live here, so. And try to build my property in Jamaica. And then now they have no scrupulous people them over there. Can you imagine now, you know? I watch a video over there, you know. Imagine some of them people, them retirement funds not take away, you know, them life not take away from the people, you know. If you sit down and build a house, you know. And then you see them one, I don't go swear, but I'm not swear no more for now, you know. You see them one, see the people them a build them house, bro. And I send them money. And when the people them come to Jamaica, them don't have no house to really come to. I fake the people them life, you know. Take picture and videos and steal a go up and this a go up. When the woman come to Jamaica and go look other people property, She have to say, no man, I lie, this man, I lie. And the person now, or the cousin or the family member or whoever that it is, when the lady come to Jamaica, them can't get them. Them hang up, them block the number and everything. So imagine now you take your last life of money to build a property. To build up a property and somebody just come and take it from your life and just not even take it. Because you didn't had it before. And if you got to watch my people, man, you know it's a run. You understand? Like it's not easy. For somebody, you think it's easy when me have to fly to Jamaica. Remember now, no? When you build a property at Jamaica, you know, you have to try to be there, you know. And not everybody can be there, so you did it. I try to rely upon some of Uno drunkers over there, yeah. Call it just like that. Some of the drunkers them over there. We just sit down and wait for leech. And leech off of somebody over here. Because I don't think over here is just better roads and we have everything locked over here. When I have no problem over here, with no stress over here, no nothing over here. 1 second beat. Yes, my people, I could get back on topic. You understand? Like, you know nothing. The people on the way out on the street, some of the family them, you know. Over here, you know. The way out, some of the family look out for Uno when they go to Jamaica, you know. Like try to help back off some of Uno, you know. And the way out, some of the tree over here. You don't know what we're not doing, people. So one of the steps before you build all a house in Jamaica, you have to get your mindset right. Because it's not for the weak. I mean, I tell you, say if I go to Jamaica, go build one big ever house or whatever, you understand? No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, me just say, support the people if they must support you. You understand? If a man over here so, go so bam, and you ask a man over here, you ask him for $50 or $100, and him have to give. Don't take it as a local light gesture or what, because that same $50 or $100 there could I go to the man's bill. The same $50 or $100 to a girl could I go to her somebody else. Do something productive, progressive. You understand? You could go to somewhere. Somewhere it could go. Oh, go on, big man.
Yeah, sir.
I make a vlog video about the people in Jamaica and how to build a house in Jamaica from living over here, you know. But I say it's not easy to build a house from here in Jamaica.
Yeah, it's not easy.
It's not easy, man. And I try to show some people, and they have some people over there where you send your money to, send your money to. And then when you go to Jamaica, no house not there. Nothing not there, my people. Hey, I say I feel for some of the people them sometimes, you know.
I'm tell you, why you believe this in the world because we don't have nothing?
You know, you heard that is some people. You can't tell them again.
Yeah. Because I work because we don't have nothing because we don't have nobody work back home we can't trust. Sometimes it's not a matter I say a man thief, you know. When you give a man money to build a house, if the house built and him thief 10,000,000 or 10 million, it no matter to you, know, because the house built. But when the house no built and all our money gone.
You don't have nothing to go back to. You see what the daddy say?
Yeah.
What you think them they some of them live here, big man like all bigger than him come here and live here a long time.
I tell you right now, we not nothing. You see them and care better off because it's when money reach their hand, then turn full. So then they spend out it and then rather live out a door than live inside.
And then I go say the people them come over there a style pound or whatever. People them not try to do the people, you know much amount of people when me meet we want to build a house in Jamaica, but they not nobody for trust.
Man nervous.
Man, I'm afraid of over there, you know, the way you treat people over there.
Yeah, we not treat people nice. You know, we are kill them because what, no, me come and I treat you, go there kill me. I kill the feeding tree. So when I kill me, I got nothing more to get. So what sense does it make? You better you eat small and live long.
You hear that, my people? So we just open up the eyes on my people. It's not easy. But we over here where we are trying to build a house, it's not easy at all because we have to work two jobs sometimes. I remember one of my people. We are work here for maintain over there. But we don't have nothing over there for maintain so over here. So when you do see a man try to go somewhere and lift up a house, just remember say you over them have car insurance to pay, mortgage or lease to pay over here, so rent, car payment, bills on top of bills.
Yeah. Me know man out there, no. We're out there, man in America. Go out there and rent car give him. And give him gas and everything.
In Jamaica?
In Jamaica, the man never drive the car from him rent the car. And the man I go do a business and make a mistake and tell the man, say, I got a bank for some money. Yeah, I'm from million out there with me live.
And rob him.
And I kill the man, and I rob him, and kill him. One time feed that. You don't know more forget. But you better when rob him and make him stay alive.
Yeah.
So you know next time I can't rob him again. We rob him and kill him. You don't got nothing more forget.
And I saw not chop on the own family member them
and
over
every
there.
man out there is same. No matter we attack with your mother or father, even if you attack the man on the phone, you know, you may just see him. All them are the same.
Them corrupt man.
Because me go tell her what happened now. If someone not tell her, I will tell him I cuss the other man, but make a mistake and get him. And same thing.
So that not reach me when I build this house to my people. One of the contractors have a mace upon the work. The man say boom. Don't worry man, me dead me can't do the work them. Remember the older man, you dead work for my house, you know, but he might try to get
man every day, sir. If me give a man money to do my thing out there and he rob me, that's okay, no, because me go fee, but me go fee him. He must dead, you know. First thing me go do, me make sure I get that carrot or a plant and fuck him with it. Bust up in your soul and then me kill him.
Yeah, he's killing the people.
That's how me I deal with it.
People, you're so angry you make some of the people them then get over here. And him, that are not angry.
It don't make sense to thief me and they go laugh because me come for a judgment.
You hear that, my
I
people?
must get fucked with that green planting.
It's a green plant. Yeah, people, if I kill me to them people. But people, we just try to open up your eyes of how hard it is to start a project in Jamaica.
No man out there.
Them
Not even my mother, me not trust no man. Me carry two bikes out there, brand new bike, and give one man and two of them and I say, take that one and keep that one for me and scrap both of them and sell them.
And you give him one, you know?
Me give him one and say, that means if you have my one for 1,000 a year, you're not supposed to sell it.
You're not supposed to sell it because you give him one.
Yeah,
but they don't look on it like that.
Just left him.
They don't look on it like that. You live a foreign, you live big life. You live big life. They don't know how hard it is.
No old sitting, you know.
Wow.
One of them want to try them.
And the man scrap it both of them.
Yeah, the man scrap both of them.
People wicked.
But you know why me not hurt him? Me used to him mother and him father. I used to sell them cow's milk. You understand me?
Yeah.
That's why me not hurt him.
So that's just one person experience, and how much other people out there are go through the same thing and still trying to even make a house and stuff.
This lady in America. And she not landed and her daughter did and she couldn't go home. And so when she when they get landed, so she'll go home. And so when she go home, she said go look for her granddaughter. And on her way from Kingston, lady said she hungry and leave her purse on the seat. She go buy something to eat. And when she come back and drive away the woman purse and everything.
Wow.
One next one again, one lady send money for go build his son to buy land and build house. And son said the house finished and she'll go home. He said, man, she said she'll go home now, so she call his son. Yeah. And the son should build the house right now, because one picnic she have, you know.
Yeah.
And the son, and when she, waiting where the son do, get the taxi man, will pick her up to kill her. And away from the airport, the lady attack and I said, boy, my son, everything I have of my son, you know, the house of fame. Every money I have my foreign fame, you know, the house up there fame, you know. And the man say, auntie, I not lie to you, the way me talk about this boy, I kill himself to kill you, see the gun here.
Wow.
I can't kill you. Because you talk too good about him.
And he might try to set you up to kill you.
Yeah, fame. After also the woman will build a fame.
Yeah.
I want to the woman have, you know. And where the woman have a foreign fame. But you want to kill him mother to get
take everything, but you already give everything.
You already get
it.
Yeah, how can you thief for what is yours?
Copy them.
Lady's alright, my son. Drop back at airport.
And come back
And
and
she come back. And then she straight up and make 2 phone calls and send bulldozer go down to go mash up the house.
She mash up your house?
Yes. Cut it right down. The bulldozer man can collect his money.
Wow.
Now wicked out there, man.
So, we have to face them type of mentality there.
Me go out there and me carry a pair of thing that me wear, pair name band clothes me wear. Me carry them about one pair of Clarks, 2 pair of Clarks, and 1 Clark slippers. And me carry down all of my name brand clothes them. And a rubber slippers me have to wear down there. And cut the trousers foot to look normal, like a poor foreigner. To not get robbed.
I saw me that.
We can't dress up.
But I saw me that for do it down there to know my people. People cut off foot pants and slippers and marina like what you see me now. I saw me have to take on the street down there.
Me turn and walk on man and sell shoes and say, support me no man. I say me can't support you, me foreigner and me left tomorrow. The man say, and you look so normal.
Yes. But I saw you have to take it on when you're down there my people because I can't make them know say you're a foreigner.
Yeah.
Because
you're not good. You're not good. What don't do down there, you're not good. A man can't, have it and a man come to feed you and you want to kill the man who feed you. You're not good. But you make a next man do the killing, but you're not involved in it. Because you will get feed. If me know say you're a thief.
Excuse me.
If me know say you're a thief. As long as I never thief from me, I'm not call a thief. So if you treat me good, I'm not going to make a next man kill you and not break the food out of my mouth.
That is it. So you hear that, my people? People, if you don't like some more interviews like these, I'm going to start walk and interview people, Jamaican background people.
Yeah, then 2 thieves down there. And when they hear me tell you, say, if I'm go down there and then do me that, I use a green plant and fuck them and I lie me, I tell you.
You hear that, my people?
Or a carrot. You are told start bleed before if you not bleed, me not stop. And then me kill him.
You hear that, my people? You hear that? That's so gruesome. Someone to make people over here think because we are all on a treat we over here, brother. We can't try.
I'm tell enough Jamaican, you see. But then I think I like me I tell. Any man with a family can't be a killer. Or a bad man. And he have a family. A fool if he be a killer or a bad man and he have a family. No Jamaican. Because you go down and you kill the dog in the yard. So what time if you win? So, no family man can't be a bad man in the yard. Tell him miss it so. Play if you play make them hear it. Someone send it to you, play make them hear it.
Yeah man, YouTube talk
yes, and no family man can't be a bad man in the yard. Because he left him pitney and him grand pitney for dead.
You hear that, my people? You can't leave your family for dead and you kill the people out there. So people want back revenge, right?
Because all a man have to do, is start kill from your yard. If you kill on your hide, you start kill from your yard, you must shoot your head now. Because you go walk and defend you and so you go dead.
That's how I make the people over here think, my people. And have smart up, man. When I can't rob from an own. But it's bad now, man. Like him I say. Like him I say, one man, me have a contractor up on my house one time. And one contractor won the next year, so my bad name the next one. And boom, boom, boom. I know my project still can't get done. And that man, the bad say, oh, boom, 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 him can't get it done and this and that. And I still wait.
And two thief and wicked out there, but not take from enough man want to take from people, not take from the right man.
I understand my people, but I not put too much. Just go back on the house topic right now, my people. So we're going to do back a next walk right now.
Thief out there, all out I see him.
Yeah, man, my people.
Yeah. Up to the man we are sent twice see him, not trust none of them.
You can't trust none of them because the whole of them I see same thing.
If man I see same thing.
Them don't care about we over here. You must send.
You punish a good God, man. You punish a man come to help you. It's like a jackpot you win and you kill him. What more could you want?
That's how wicked it people is more time, people. I mean, I just say, una alone. I just some people, mankind is just corrupt. You understand, my people? People just corrupt.
That's the reason why enough man come down there say, and then say, oh, you're that foreign so long you come back here and have nothing. No reason why you're undercast. Because I'm a person who sell drugs and then come down and then build big house. And he said, John, just come and John build big house. But do you believe that now? When John go up back, fly up back, 2 days later they can kill him. The man kill him. You understand me? Because free money ain't easy. The other man work hard for money. So come and work hard for money hard. Every country $1. Nobody say no person give away. No person not give away. Every country $1 is $1. As some money count.
You hear that, my people?
We get out there, man.
Alright, I'll make a walk, you know?
Yeah.
I run the washroom quick
Yeah,
again.
I'm glad to come catch you so that you send down there.
Yeah, man, we are sending down them, man. Like,
Wicked,
I have to open up the minds, because I have a YouTube channel called 416-876 Jamaica.
Yeah.
On YouTube, so
Yeah.
whenever you're ready, you can just go up on it. I'm going to post this one here today, so you will see yourself at the
Yeah. Where's
No.
it?
You have your phone on you? Yes, my people, so this is just going to be a part 1 for the series there, you know, with the, I'm going to try to talk to a lot more people. Oh, no, so we can, people on the phone, man, I try to give me for go put on YouTube. Hey, we kidding them, people. I was like, people, what? No, son, you have to go with go on your computer or home, you have to go do that then. But it's called 416-876 Jamaica. So 416-876. Yeah. Yes, man, my people, so it's not easy for we over here. I try to build a house and we don't have nothing over here and we are sending money, and I send more money. It's very hard. It's very hard. You know, so
I'm tell you, no. A whole time bad man, I tell you that. No man, we are family, a yard, can't be a bad man. Me tell you that.
You hear that, my people? So,
I just show off, then show off.
probably one penny on this. Yes, my people, so please, no, just take it in where Elder said to. 1 second, my people. So, 416-876 Jamaica. Jamaica.
Yeah.
So 416-876
tell him again. I mean, I'm going like they want people and I'm going trigger happy. Next thing you do again, you cut off the trigger finger and the big finger from both hands, because I then shoot with 2 hands. So you cut off the one side of the big finger and look for and you hold him, you cut off in 2 big toe, because 2 big toe balance him. He can't move good. You have to walk and up. And 2 big toe balance him.
Yeah, you killed me today, man. Alright, the people that have him take on it, I will finish up the vlog here now and then forward back in. Alright, Elder.
Yeah, man. I want them to shoot.
Yeah, man, but now you have it though, you have it on it, 416-876 Jamaica.
Yeah.
So you can see this video later on here. But me I run on, I'm going to push out.
What is that? 6s?
No, Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah, Jamaica.
I said to them down there, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, just let them go. You punish them like, can I go like them wicked? So you're wicked too.
Yeah. Alright, that me I run now.
Can I go like them wicked?
Later here. Alright, my people, so we were supposed to just be around the house video, you know, my people, but God, Elder have a lot of more to talk and say, you know. Like him passionate about it too, cause a lot of way over here, so we go through a lot of them trial and drama with people we are trying to help, and yeah, send money. Yeah, send money. Imagine you over here, you work 500,000 for your life saving, 500,000 US dollar or Canadian for your life saving, and you send all like that yard to go build house, and you come back and you don't have no house. How do you feel in yourself? You understand? And that a lot of people are come from. You understand now? So when I say I make the series here, I make it for a reason, you know. But this is just part 1 of the reasoning. And how hard it is to build a house from the foreign countries. Part 1, this series I'm going to name, because the next part of this series is going to be the traveling part. Because remember now, we have to travel now. I remember now, if somebody will have they want to go 2 weeks off. A 2 weeks someone with people get, you know, half a job, you know, for go back home, for bill, you know. And then when we're there, we are trying to ask, for help. Or 1-2 man, or we are even pay our own money pay, you know. Even when you pay your own money, it's like I beg them a favor. When you pay your own money, you say, brother, just tell me how much you charge or how much it costs. It's okay. Just tell me how much it is and let me get it done. Simple as that. Me know why you do nothing for me for free. Me know why you do nothing period. Just make me know where I go on. Me save up my money. I will pay it. Even when I do that to them, you say, oh, deliver 2,000 black for me. Then probably I'll short you all I want 300-400 out of it. Somehow I put with trust in us too much of them over there, you know. You understand? It's very hell. But people in the comment below, if you don't want like a real step by step, for anybody who really want help, I'm really make the video here. Because a lot of people, some of my friends asked me today, how much I build my house for? What's the steps if I can help her? Right? So I say, it all depends if I live here, live there, or it's an investment property, and vice versa, stuff like that, you know what I mean? So I say, you as a female, you better don't go down there to go build. Cause she's like, no man, I have my family them. I say, yeah, that's the problem. Don't go down there to go build. Cause you are going to face the worst trauma in your life. When you're telling me, you say, your family them are going to build the place, so you're going to send the money go down there. Go on. Send it go down there. Send the money go down there. Me want to see which property that I go build. You have to do a ground, people. You have to be in Jamaica to build your property, or else you won't see your property. They're gonna scam you. You wanna get what they don't get, like the lady. And a whole heap of people go through them situation because like what the elders said to you know, sometimes we try our best. We try our best. We're best. To say, you know what? The person that is not like that, and that person will never screw me over, and blue blah blue. Blah, wake cow fat, all coconut fly and pig a fly. We put our head on the grass for some of them terrorizing people. Them. Yeah. We put our head on the grass for them, so that person they not gonna do me bad. And I see him person what you vouch for, and you out your eye back, a peel out your head back. One you for dead. No, you have nothing on the road. And I saw it stay because they have everything. They must have everything. You a foreigner, you must not have anything. Foreign you live. So you want to have? Eh? What you must have? You know if you have nothing, man, my people. So people, now stay up on it too long. Because the elder, you done so long, the elder stay in there and talk, right? So we're not gonna drag out a video, yeah? It's just a reasoning, you understand? You don't know what we're talking, you know. Topics that nobody know what to talk about, we come and we talk about it, right? So everybody just please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and you can leave in the comments down below if you want more gigs like these, more videos like these with me interviewing real people. People are telling their real story from Canada side, then can probably try to hear my voice. You know what I mean? I'm gonna probably do some live calling too, you know. Yeah man, I think one of them days I may have some time, I'll do a live stream and I can do a live calling and boom. Cause I think people other voice need to be heard. So other people who are build them place or go through life experience, then can learn a 1-2 bit from that person and say, you know what? A real thing that you they are talking, you know. Let me not go do it the way there, and let me just do it the way there because you go through it already. Or the lady they go through it already, or whoever go through it already. So you can learn from there, misunderstanding and stuff like that. But yeah man, my people, just bless upon yourself. Thanks again for everybody. Just keep liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. You know it's your boy 416 Boss 876 what? Jamaica. Your boy Jay is out.